Cricut just launched the brand new Cricut Joy Xtra, and I'm here to tell you everything that you need to know about this new machine. If you're new here, then welcome. I'm Kim from Sweet Red Poppy, and if you love crafting videos, especially all things Cricut, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. That way you never miss a video. So what's different between Cricut Joy and Cricut Joy Xtra? So if you're familiar with the original Cricut Joy, which launched in February of 2020, then you're probably wondering what makes these two machines different. Cricut Joy Xtra includes everything that you already know and love about Cricut Joy, plus a little bit more. While Cricut Joy has a max cut size of 4.5 inches wide by 4 feet in length, Cricut Joy Xtra now offers a max cut size of 8.5 inches by 4 feet. But really, in my opinion, the most exciting update is the print then cut sensor, which allows you to make your own customized stickers and printables. Now, Cricut Joy Xtra has the same cutting and drawing speeds as Cricut Joy, and that's 5.4 inches per second. But with Cricut Joy Xtra, you can make wider decals, tags, and it's compatible with over 50 materials. So what size is Cricut Joy Xtra? Well, it measures 12.4 inches in width, it's 4.46 inches in length, and then its height is 5.87 inches, and it weighs just a hair over 6 pounds. So if you live in a small apartment, or maybe you just have a smaller crafting space, then this machine is really a compact design and it can fit almost anywhere. Even Cricut says it's a fit in any space cutting machine. What color is Cricut Joy Xtra? Well, you can think of Cricut Joy Xtra as a clean blank canvas. This machine features an entirely white design, so it really blends in with any aesthetic. But maybe white isn't your style. Feel free to go ahead and decorate your machine. You can put stickers on there and vinyl, really make it reflect your own personality and your unique style. Let's talk about our Cricut Joy features. This machine uses Bluetooth wireless technology and it connects to your computer or your phone. It also features a single carriage, and that can hold your fine point blades, your foil tool, your joy pens, even your markers. It also offers the print then cut feature, which makes it possible again to make high quality multicolored stickers, and I am so excited about that. It features an easy printables sensor that's located inside of the machine's internal left-hand side. So who is Cricut Joy Xtra actually designed for? Cricut Joy Xtra is designed with the DIY crafter in mind. You really don't need to have a huge amount of space for this machine. You don't even have to have an entire craft room. This machine is small enough that it can just sit on your kitchen counter or even on a small shelf. It is perfect for someone who's never used a Cricut machine before, or maybe someone who's ready to upgrade their DIY crafts and add a personalized professional touch. If maybe you don't need all the features of the Explorer or the Maker or even the Venture, and you really value portability, then a smaller machine size like this that can fit anywhere, and it comes with a budget-friendly price, then maybe this machine is going to be the right fit for you. If you already own a Cricut machine, then this machine might not be the right machine for you. So what all comes with the Cricut Joy Xtra? Inside the box, you'll find your Cricut machine, the blade and blade housing, a fine point pen, a standard grip mat, a welcome card, the power adapter, a free 30-day trial membership to Cricut Access for new subscribers, 50 ready-to-make projects online, and materials to make your very first practice cut. Now let's talk a little bit about the machine capabilities, because this is similar to the Cricut Joy. It can precisely cut, it can write, draw, and even foil. But one significant advantage of this specific machine is that it can produce projects that are as large as 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches if you're using a mat. Additionally, if you're using smart materials, then you could cut projects that are up to 4 feet in length. We also have some exciting new materials that released with this launch. So we have new sticker sheets, vinyl, and iron-on. All of our new sticker sheet materials measure 8.5 inches by 11 inches, and they're also available in A4 sizes. As far as compatibility, this device is still going to operate within Cricut's Design Space app, and it can use all of the tools that are compatible with the original Joy machine. Now, if you're not familiar, Design Space is a free download that can be used on Android, iOS, and Bluetooth-enabled Windows and Mac computers. Additionally, this machine can connect to your home inkjet printer, and it can print out some pretty sweet sticker sheets. Let's chat a little bit about the new printable materials. All of the Cricut sticker paper has been re-engineered from the ground up, so it's now easier to use. It's also longer lasting. So all new printable materials will now feature a green grid, while the older printable materials feature a gray grid along the backing. The new paper is thinner, and that's going to prevent any paper jams in your printer. It's a lot easier to feed through your at-home printers now. It's also designed to be compatible specifically with inkjet printers. So laser printers are not compatible with these new materials, and that's because of the heat and the toner-based inks, and those might damage these materials. First up, we have our printable sticker paper, and this is used to make regular sticker paper sheets. It's available in white in 8.5 inches by 11 inches, as well as an A4 size. Next up, we have printable vinyl. This is a really durable vinyl that makes high quality stickers, and I like to think of it as a step up from the printable sticker paper. And that comes in a variety of different colors. I have gold here on hand. Next up, we have our printable waterproof sticker set. This is probably the one that I'm most excited about. If you're planning on making stickers for your water bottles, your tumblers, phone cases, or even your car, then this is going to be the best material to use. This is a new printable base, and it features a clear liner, and that is applied after you've printed, and it is waterproof, it's UV friendly, and there will be 4 different color options to choose from. There is also a brand new printable iron-on, so you can print your customized designs onto this material and then press it using your Cricut Easy Press or even an iron. This material will come in 2 different options, so you'll have one for light fabrics as well as dark fabrics. Now let's talk about our Cricut Smart Materials. There is no need for a mat when you're using Smart Materials, so you just load that material into your machine and then press go and it cuts. So first up, we have our Smart Label material. You can add a personal touch to any of your projects using the Smart Craft labels. You can add them to your pantry to label things. You can label things in your craft room. And each pack is going to include 4 sheets. We also have Smart Label Writable Vinyl. And this again is sized for this new machine that is compatible with those Cricut Joy pens as well as the markers. And it's available in both a permanent and a removable option, and each pack comes with 3 13-inch sheets. Next up, we have our Smart Iron-Ons, and you can cut custom designs and then place them onto your surface of choice, pressing them with your Cricut Easy Press or even iron. Now, the one that I'm most excited about is this Cricut Joy Xtra Prismatic Glitter Smart Iron-On. That's a mouthful. This material is a microplastic flake-free glitter material that you can apply to your surface and press again with any sort of heat from your Easy Press or your iron. With this launch of this new machine, we also have some new mats. So we now have a Cricut Joy Xtra machine, a light grip, standard grip, and even a card mat. So our light grip mat is going to have that softer release just like previously. It's great for those lighter weight materials like copy paper and cardstock. It's ideal for if you're doing stickers. There's also a standard grip mat, and that is again for medium weight materials like infusible ink and heavier cardstocks. And then finally we have our Cricut Joy Xtra card mat, and this is a little bit bigger than the original Joy card mat, so you can use all of Cricut's card sizes with this mat now. Up next, we have new transfer tape. This is the same transfer tape we've had previously, but it's in a new size so that it is compatible with this machine. And we also have new smart vinyls. Now, something that you should keep in mind is that Cricut Joy Xtra is still compatible with all of the previous Cricut Joy tools. So the foil transfer tool, the Cricut Joy pens, and the markers. So at this point, you're probably wondering, how much is the Cricut Joy Xtra machine? The Cricut Joy Xtra machine is currently priced at $199, and you can purchase it online from Cricut.com or from Joann. I'm so excited for crafters to try out this new machine, especially if you're a beginner and you're really yearning to grow and expand your crafting skills. Not only is it a professional looking machine, but it's going to allow you to create incredible projects, and it's not going to take up very much space. So if you have a friend who's interested in buying a Cricut machine and maybe you think this is the right machine for them, go ahead and let them know about it. And if you're brand new to Cricut, be sure that you download my free cheat sheet bundle of 15 pages. It is going to walk you through everything you need to know about design space, about Cricut machines, materials, iron-on, and so much more. I linked it in the caption below this video. Do you have any questions about the Cricut Joy Xtra? Go ahead and drop those in the comments below so that I can answer them for you. Happy crafting!